Today I'm designing a living room feature wall, but not just any wall. We are going for something elegant and carved, perfectly matching the ceiling soft arches. Stick around till the end because when you see how the wall and ceiling come together, you'll want to try this in your own design. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nice Tower. And in today's video, we are creating a modern carved wall design that adds warmth, flow, and luxury to a living room. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our next creative designs. Alright, let's get into it. Our focus is right here, the center wall of the living room. As you can see, the ceiling design already uses soft arches, so I want to reflect that same curved rhythm in the wall design for a perfect harmony. To keep things clean, I'll hide all the extra parts of the model that I don't need right now. From the side of the wall, I copy a line 1500 millimeters away, then duplicate the surface and paste it in position and make it a component. I also copy this to the opposite side of the wall. Now I extrude this by 20 millimeters. Take an offset of 100 millimeters and then draw curves on all four corners to soften the edges. Now using the Profile Builder plugin, I easily create decorative molding all around this shape. Just one click and it's done beautifully. Next, from the first line, I copy another at 300 millimeters. Then one more at 2000 millimeters. I duplicate this panel, paste it place and group it. From the side, I copy a line 400 millimeters away and take another copy of this. From the top and bottom, I copy lines 100 millimeters away. Clean up extra lines. And again, draw soft arches on all four corners. Then I take a 100 millimeters offset, duplicate the surface, and in this section, I draw a small rectangle, 20 by 500 millimeters. After copying a 5 millimeters offset line, I use the divide tool to split it into 15 equal parts. Now I draw an arc here, delete the extra lines and copy it using X40 and copy it along the length and clean up the extra surface and position the pattern onto the surface. With the Follow Me tool, I extrude it along the shape, and just like that, we get this elegant curved groove detail. Now I move the whole shape back onto the wall. Add two lines at the top and bottom. Take a 70 millimeters offset here. And now I use divide option to divide this line and draw a line here. Select this line and take a copy of it. Add 50 millimeters. Take another copy. delete this line and take another copy of this. Now delete the Excel lines. I use Profile Builder again to add more moldings, all in just one click. I do it for the other parts, just like that. For smoother curves, I turn on the smooth edge option. Then using flip tool, I mirror all three shapes to the other side and add more molding to finish the symmetry. Now I want to add an extra decorative detail. First, I hide this shape and draw a 100 by 50 millimeters rectangle. Make it a component. Then sketch diagonal lines to shape the piece. Draw a line here. Draw another line. Also a line in the middle part. Delete the extra lines. I take a copy of it. And now I extrude it 30 millimeters. For this part 20 millimeters. Creating a subtle 3D accent and move it into the right place on the wall. And that's it, our design structure is complete. Now it's time for materials. For the main wall, I use a warm beige tone for all the wall. For the next panels, a slightly lighter beige. For the center panel, I use a wood texture that brings natural warmth. I apply it for all details. The decorative pattern in the middle also gives the same smooth beige color to keep everything soft and balanced. When we place the wall back into the full living room scene, you can instantly see how perfectly it connects with the curved ceiling. And here it is, a stylish, warm, and elegant living room wall design that blends curves and modern details in the best way possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the bell, because in the next one we'll take these ideas even further and design another wall using a different curve composition. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.